Good morning friends. Welcome back once again to our new video learning session. What is the importance of updating permanent account number and also NEFT with ModiCare? It is very simple. If you update your PAN card details with ModiCare, the income tax deduction will stay at 5%. Otherwise, the income tax deduction would go up to 20%. This is as per the government norms. And why NEFT details? Based on your monthly business, company will transfer the income to your bank account. Hence, if you don't have bank details updated with ModiCare, company will not be in a position to transfer the same. Hence, NEFT is also very important to be updated with ModiCare. So how do we do this? Let's see how we can update PAN and NEFT. So how do we update the PAN details and NEFT? It is very simple. Just click onto the Google Chrome, enter ModiCare address www.modicare.com, go to sign in, log in as a consultant and enter your MCA number and password and type the answer here. Click login. Once you do this, you get this page. Close this, go to this icon, click, go to profile, click and then update PAN. Click on this, you will get into another page. Please note the consultant MCA number is by default already entered here. You cannot edit it as you can see the mark. Consultant name is also by default. This name is the name which you have given at the time of joining. And the third option is PAN number. Here you have to enter the PAN number very clearly. Ensure that the entire PAN number is correct. And also note the PAN number and the name in the MCA number should match. Hence, it is very important that you cross-check once again, see that your name given in ModiCare and the name in the PAN number are matching. And then upload the PAN image. So how do you upload the PAN card? Choose the file. Wherever you have the file kept, select the file and then upload and then submit. Please note the size of the image should not exceed more than 3 MB and it should be in the JPG, JPEG, PNG, GIF or PMP format. So once you choose the file, select the file and then submit it. This will go for verification. Once that is done, your PAN number will get updated in our system. And after this, your tax deduction will be at 5% instead of 20%. Similar way, you can update your bank details also. Go to this icon, go to profile, update NEFT. Click here. So you can see this page. Consultant name in bank account. Please enter your name which is appearing in your bank account and everything has to be in capital letters. Enter the IFSC code. IFSC code is always 11 digit. That also you have to enter. Bank name and branch name will come by default. Account number. Please enter the complete account number. Most of the bank account numbers are 11 digit or 15 digit or more. So ensure that account number is entered properly and correctly, and also confirm the account number once again. Once you have entered all these details, upload your NEFT copy. It can be passbook front copy, it can be check leaf wherein name is printed on the check leaf. Okay, so click choose file, select the file and then upload it. Please note the size of the file should not go beyond 2 MB, which is written here. And the file format should be in JPG, JPEG, GIF, BMP or PNG, or even TIFF file can be uploaded. So choose the file, select the file and upload it. So here it shows it is not in that format, and hence upload the right format here. So this is how you have to enter the NEFT details. Once this is verified, then your income will start coming to your bank account directly. So ensure that your name with ModiCare and the name appearing in your bank account has to be same. Otherwise, there are chances that your NEFT may get rejected. So please ensure the names are matching both in PAN card as well as NEFT details in comparison with the name as given by you in ModiCare. I hope the information shared today was quite useful. Share to your friends and team members. We will come back once again with a new video learning session. Until then, stay happy, stay safe, stay healthy. Take care. Bye bye.